MO49 refrigerant, designated as R437a, was created to replace R500, R12 or HCFC blends, such as MP39, MP66 and R409a, in equipment in operation. MO49 is the product of a mixture of four gases with the following composition: 134a at 78.5%, 25 to 19, 5% butane at 1.4%, pentane at 0.6%. How to find the correct pressure of MO49? For example, for an application that requires an evaporator temperature of less than 10 degrees C, look in the table for the pressure of MO49 in liquid phase. The absolute pressure in the table is 255.5 kilopascals at the inlet of the liquid evaporator. To find the gauge pressure, we subtract the atmospheric pressure from 100 kPa. From the value of the subtraction, it is obtained that the manometer pressure should be 155.5 kilopascals, equivalent to 22.78 psi. Characteristics of MO49 refrigerant 1. Do not use MO49 in units that use R22 or R404a refrigerant, since these gases work with very different pressures to obtain the same temperatures. 2. MO49 is compatible with pole oil. Therefore it is possible to replace R-134a in domestic equipment, without the need to change or modify the length of the capillary tube. 3. MO49 refrigerant is compatible with traditional and new lubricants, including mineral oil, alkylbenzene oil, and polyester oil. 4. It does not produce exhaustion of the Zone 5. It has a global warming potential GWP of 1775. 6. Not subject to deletion under the Montreal Protocol. 7. It is a ceotropic refrigerant mixture, therefore it has slippage. 8. The slip working at an evaporator temperature of minus 18 degrees Celsius is approximately 4 degrees Celsius. 9. It must be charged from the liquid phase to ensure accurate mix composition. 10. With a safety rating of 1, non-flammable. 11. Compressors can be loaded with most current oils, but better oil return will be obtained with polyester oils. 12. Up to 11% more capacity, compared to R12 refrigerant gas. 13. Low compressor discharge temperature compared to R12. 14. Its use in centrifugal compressor systems is not recommended. 15. Not for use on flooded evaporators. 16. It can be used to replace R12 in automotive air conditioning. 17. Recommended in direct expansion refrigeration system to do the retrofit. 19. Remember that conversion of older refrigeration systems often requires seal changes to minimize the risk of leaks. 20. Generally, the typical charge is 85%, with respect to the normal charge of R12. 21. It is possible after system startup that refrigerant charge adjustment may be required. 22. In many cases adjustment of the expansion valve is required to achieve adequate superheat. 23. After system startup, check the oil levels in the compressor.
24.
Whenever necessary, add oil to maintain proper manufacturer levels.